Hare Krishna. This is Remuna, the temple of Kheerchor Gopinath. So, this is the very famous temple where Gopinath ji stole kheer for Shripad Madhavendra Puri. So, when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after taking sannyas, he comes from Katwa to Shantipur, and then Mahaprabhu comes here along with Nityanand Prabhu, Jagdanand Pandit, Mukund Dutt, and Damodar Pandit. And it is here that Mahaprabhu tells the story of Kheerchor Gopinath. So Mahaprabhu tells how Madhavendra Puri one time, while traveling around India, he goes to Vrindavan, and in Govardhan, he gets this deity of Gopalji. And Madhavendra Puri establishes this deity on top of Govardhan. So for 2 years, Madhavendra Puri serves Gopalji. After 2 years, Gopalji comes in the dream of Madhavendra Puri and tells him that it's very hot here. Please go and bring Chandan from Jagannath Puri. So Madhavendra Puri walks all the way from Vrindavan, Govardhan towards Puri, and he comes to this place of Gopinath, Remuna. And while he's having darshan of the deities and as Aarti is being offered, so that time Madhavendra Puri has a desire, the kheer is being offered to Gopinath ji. So Madhavendra Puri had a desire to have that kheer so that he could offer a similar kheer to Gopal ji in Govardhan. So that time Madhavendra Puri, he feels bad that, as the kheer is being offered to Krishna, he is wanting to eat the kheer. So he leaves this place and goes and sits in the market. So in order to fulfill the desire of Madhavendra Puri, Gopinath ji stole kheer and kept it behind his cloth. And the pujari wakes up, and Gopinath ji comes in the dream of the pujari and tells him, I've kept a kheer for Madhavendra Puri. So the pujari goes in the market and tells, hey Madhavendra Puri, you're so fortunate that Gopinath has stole kheer for you. So since that day, this temple is known as Kheerchor Gopinath. So kheer is very, very famous in this place. So Mahaprabhu also came and visited this place, and Mahaprabhu did a lot of kirtan in front of Gopinath and had kheer also. So this is a very holy place for us. So here you will find the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai. So this lotus feet is installed by Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And then Rasikanand Prabhu, it is explained that he did his bhajan also in Remuna, in different places in Gopi Vallabhpur also, and he did his bhajan here. And then finally, as he wound up his pastime, he entered into the deity of Gopinath ji, as Mahaprabhu entered into the deity of Tota Gopinath in Jagannath Puri. So this is the Samadhi Mandir of Rasikanand Prabhu. Shri Rasikanand Prabhu ki Jai. And then this is his Bhajan Kutiri here. Here you can see the paintings here. Rasikanand Prabhu was such a powerful preacher that he would preach to mad elephants and they would surrender into his feet and become his disciples. He would preach to tigers like this. So Rasikanand Prabhu was a very powerful acharya in our sampradaya. And here is also one beautiful kunda, a pukur, where the Chandan Yatra Utsav happens. So we all know that during Chandan Yatra is very special, 21 days Utsav. And Chandan Yatra is very special here in Remuna, because when Madhavendra Puri got Chandan from Jagannath Puri to be taken to Govardhan to offer it to Gopalji, and he came back in this place. So Gopalji comes in his dream and tells him, please offer Chandan to Gopinath ji. So Madhavendra Puri personally stays here along with his associates, and for many, many days, for 21 days, he is offering Chandan to Gopinath ji here. So Chandan Yatra is very special in Remuna, and during the Chandan Yatra Utsav, they have Gopinath ji comes in a boat, and he has boat pastimes, Nauka Vihar. Kheerchor Gopinath ki jai, Shripad Madhavendra Puri ki jai, Rasikanand Prabhu ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki